In this video, you are going to see how to change the height and width of an image in Microsoft Word document. Here I have an image in Microsoft Word. I can change the height and width manually. Here, keep your mouse cursor over here and I can change the size like this, but the aspect ratio will not be perfect. So press Ctrl Z to undo. Then click on over here, go to picture format. Here you will see an option height and width. You can change it from here manually. Right here 3. Then the height and width will be changed. If you want to unlock the aspect ratio, just click on over here, unlock the aspect ratio and click on OK. Now if you write here the 2, the height will be 2 but the width will be 3. So the aspect ratio will be changed. Let us make it 3 again. In this two way you can change the height and width of your image. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.